Hey friends, if you wish to fix connections to Bluetooth audio devices and wireless displays on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the first thing. Before anything else, just make sure that the hardware connections are correct. Then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Then go to this option Bluetooth and devices and select devices here. Check the devices that are connected and check if there is something to be removed here or if they are not connected, then here's what you can do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and then update the drivers one by one. And also you can update the Bluetooth drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.